Hi guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv once more back with another video, and today we are bringing back an old friend, AnetaBTC, a follow-up video. For those of you who have not watched that video yet, you may have missed out on some great content. Please check the link down below. I'll leave a link for the AnetaBTC, the previous video we did, where we dived into the Aneta project and we applied the risk evaluation tool. We will do another risk evaluation tool in due course. For now, we just want to do a follow-up video to see where we've been, what we've accomplished, and where we are heading to. So in theory, we will be looking at some of the elements contained within the Aneta roadmap, what has been accomplished and where we are going and what we think towards the end. So for those of you who are new to AnetaBTC, let's dive into the brief introduction. So AnetaBTC is a fully on-chain decentralized protocol that allows Bitcoin to be directly wrapped on the Ergo blockchain as well as the Cardano blockchain. AnetaBTC enables Bitcoin holders to unlock the value of their assets in a secure and efficient environment to provide yields without selling any Bitcoin and without any third-party custodian involvement, as in the case with Wrapped Bitcoin or WBTC, which is on the Ethereum blockchain. But Wrapped Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain is the largest Wrapped Bitcoin protocol today with billions of Bitcoin locked. AnetaBTC protocol is split between two blockchains. It's hosted on the Ergo blockchain or ERGOplatform as well as on the Cardano blockchain, and it's 50-50 in terms of the token allocation. So you've got 1 billion AnetaBTC tokens, ticker symbol NETA, NETA on the Ergo platform, and the other 50%, i.e. 1 billion AnetaBTC tokens on the Cardano blockchain, ticker symbol cNeta, cNeta. Total Aneta tokens is 2 billion. That is the hard cap. Each and every NETA and cNeta token has an equivalent stake in the AnetaBTC protocol. Yeah, that is debatable because of the price differences between those two, but that's not for today. That's a discussion for a different video. The protocol itself is referred to as AnetaBTC. Token ticker symbols is NETA, NETA for the Ergo platform, and cNeta for the Cardano blockchain, cNeta. What about the value proposition for AnetaBTC? The key part of their approach is writing smart contracts that send Bitcoin to a vault if a user wants to mint AnetaBTC. Upon minting, users will be able to freely use AnetaBTC as Bitcoin-backed assets on the Ergo platform or Cardano blockchain. Wrapped Bitcoin allows holders to utilize Bitcoin in a wide array of DeFi applications such as yield farming, earning products, derivatives such as futures and options, and one of the most important pillars of the entire DeFi ecosystems going forward, stablecoin. Unlike Wrapped BTC on the Ethereum blockchain, AnetaBTC is entirely non-custodial, and all Bitcoin backing AnetaBTC on a one-to-one basis is logged by fully audited and open source smart contract that allows Bitcoin holders to directly mint and redeem AnetaBTC. AnetaBTC seeks to be truly decentralized, wrap Bitcoin products on a secure third-generation blockchain platform with low and predictable transaction fees, i.e. the Ergo and Cardano blockchain. AnetaBTC protocol also aims to increase in interoperability functionality across wider cryptocurrency ecosystems, as well as leveraging decentralized privacy applications. So what's new since our last video back in late February this year in 2022? Well, we have had the following. cNeta Angel NFTs on the Cardano blockchain, there were 8,888 to be exact. Pricing for whitelisted addresses was about 44 ADA. We were in on the action and we managed to mint the threshold that was allowed under those conditions. Then we also had the NETA Angel NFTs on the Ergo blockchain, and there were 2,223 angels to be exact. The cNeta farming on MinSwap DEX, a decentralized exchange on the Cardano blockchain. Holding of cNeta NFT comes with the promise of a boost to staking rewards when staking with the AnetaBTC protocol's own ADA staking pools. There's NETA 1 and NETA 2, I believe, and we're staking to one of those. It must be noted that the sale of NFTs is AnetaBTC project team's way of raising funds to bankroll the project while giving back to the community. We think that's a good move, and it's such a lovely project and the community loves it. So win-win. Community wins, the project team wins. Great. The AnetaBTC wallet, initially for Android, now available on Play Store. I think that's huge. The wallet has so far been downloaded more than 500 times. Yes, it's small, but I think it will gain traction as and when more functionality comes. At the moment, people might not see the point of using this wallet, but I think it's worth playing around with it. We have already dived into it. We're experimenting with different things. If we come across any issues, we can also provide feedback. We want AnetaBTC AnetaBTC to win, right? That's the way to do it. Go try the wallet, guys. I'll leave the link down below. We shall also do a separate deep dive video on how to interact with the wallet. Currently, the Aneta wallet can only support the Ergo blockchain native assets, and should soon be added to, for the Cardano blockchain. The cNeta token on the Cardano blockchain reached a new all-time high, 45 cents. It was crazy when that happened. So you can tell these projects will have legs, plenty of legs to run. I must admit that was something else. However, with the overall market turning bearish and ADA taking a nosedive, cNeta has followed the rest of the market to the downside and is currently trading at 0.12 ADA on MinSwap DEX. So the peak was 0.40 ADA or 45 cents, and now it's currently trading at 0.12 ADA on the MinSwap DEX. A retracement of approximately 70% from all-time high achieved a month or so ago. With price action seen by cNeta when the times were good, it only goes to show that this project has some legs to run the marathon. Crypto is a marathon, guys. You spend more time within this environment, the better the gains you get, or the better the rewards you get. Again, it's not financial advice. This is my own opinion, okay? Don't hold me on to that. So watch the space as far as the AnetaBTC protocol is concerned. If you're over in Cardano, is the cNeta token. If you're over on Ergo blockchain, is the NETA token. But I believe very soon we'll have the Ergo DEX bridging across the two blockchains. So all these things might end up being academic. They won't matter much. Over to the Ergo blockchain, the NETA token has been lagging behind a little bit, but I'm sure it will catch up with its sibling, the cNeta token on the Cardano blockchain. The NETA token over at the ERGOplatform peaked at 9 cents and has retraced since. The AnetaBTC project has also gained approximately 4,200 Twitter followers since our last video back in February. So it's safe to claim that the community is also growing at a reasonable pace, and the community seems to be growing around the AnetaBTC protocol, which is great. We think so, and the community thinks so as well. Our current number of followers is approximately 28,400 Twitter followers. That's juicy compared to the 24 from last time, I think. And then the Discord membership has also grown from around 7,700 members and now sits at around 10,700 members. So that's an increase of 3,000 Discord members over 2.5 months. That's impressive still. What to expect in the next few weeks and months? According to the AnetaBTC project team roadmap, the following is what has already been accomplished or is yet to be accomplished. Stage 3, which comprises Q1 and Q2 of 2022, is ongoing. It includes the launch of liquidity ISO or LISO. It's completed. cNeta listed on MinSwap DEX, completed. Acquiring first assets of LISO, ADA, BTC, ERG, Min from MinSwap, KNC, NETA, cNeta. It's been completed. I think that is ongoing as well. A release tokenomics part 2 is been completed. Develop Aneta wallet version 1 is been completed, and I've already said the one for the Ergo blockchain can be found on the Play Store. Begin community testing of Aneta wallet version 1 has been completed. Design AnetaBTC user interface has been completed. Develop AnetaBTC user interface has been completed. Develop Aneta cNeta staking. It's coming up. I think the staking element will be huge. If we can have staking of the NETA and the cNeta token, thumbs up. We love that. Integrate your ROI and Nautilus wallet integration on AnetaBTC Ergo network. That's coming up. Develop Toast Drop, a platform for claiming cNeta rewards from LISO Cardano network. It's coming up. Develop Toast Drop. Any project can airdrop their tokens to their community. Whoa, venturing into the drip drop zone there, but we love it still. For the Ergo network, it's coming up. Begin claiming of cNeta tokens via Toast Drop. It's coming up. Launch of Toast Drop for Cardano and Ergo. It's coming up. Launch of Aneta wallet version 1. I think that's for the Cardano network. That's coming up. Release of Aneta wallet iOS coming up. Launch NETA cNeta staking coming up. And then we've got the rest of Q3, which is part of their stage 4, and stage 5, which is Q4 of 2022. It's upcoming. So there's plenty coming up. And there's also stage 6, which is going into 2023. So their roadmap is robust and it's covering more than a calendar year, which is always great. You don't want to invest in a project that has got a roadmap that only covers a few months or a few quarters, and that's it. These guys are doing things properly, so we should, show them some respect and appreciate the hard work they're doing. How do you do that? By investing and participating in most of these initiatives they keep coming up with. And I also like the idea of weekly development updates. I think it helps the community and public at large to understand what's going on instead of waiting for a Twitter that may or may not come up. These guys actually share with you whether there have been some development updates on a weekly basis, and we love that. So follow their Twitter page. I'll put put the Twitter address here on the screen, and I'll also put the Sage5.tv Twitter handle as well. Okay, so guys, that is AnetaBTC protocol. We've come a long way. We've accomplished plenty so far. This year, things have been on the up. Yes, the price movement is not following the development trends, but it will catch up. What are your thoughts? Our thoughts as far as AnetaBTC is concerned is, if the AnetaBTC team can complete the above stages with little hiccups, then this project could benefit from a growing community, which we've already seen, that has been supportive since day one, and they continue to support the project. We think it will do well into the future. At the current rate of growth, this community could reach an inflection point where growth becomes exponential. And when this happens, who knows? In Ergo and Cardano, you have two solid blockchains, something that could be pivotal to AnetaBTC's progress over the coming months and years. With the value propositions on offer, the future looks great. That's our own opinion. Again, guys, do your own research. Now tell us, what are your thoughts regarding the AnetaBTC protocol's progress? Are you happy with what's been accomplished? As far as we're concerned, we are. We think the project has been going quite well. We think the team are doing their best, and they do know when to introduce excitements. We like the idea of NFTs, and we hope there will be more in the future, especially the ones that are pivoting towards what's starting to develop now as a new trend, the ones known as smart NFTs. And I think Cardano has got the technology to support smart NFTs. These are composable NFTs that can migrate from one blockchain to another. Guys, that's a hint. I'm nudging you in that direction. Your next NFTs, make sure they accommodate some of these things, interoperability amongst NFTs, migrating from one of these blockchain to the next blockchain, following liquidity or following decent games. We would like to do some of those things. We don't want to be left behind. Now tell us your thoughts regarding AnetaBTC's protocol progress. Are you using the current market conditions to increase your positions in both NETA and cNeta? How many NETA angels did you manage to mint on either of the associated blockchains? Comment down below, guys. Let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, as well as smash that notification bell. If you haven't been following NETA via Twitter, please go give them a follow, and also go join their Discord community. Until next time, guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv signing out. Until next time, bye for now.